How to use casino bonus on FanDuel. So this is what FanDuel casino bonuses look like. You deposit at least $10 as a new user, and then you receive 350 bonus spins, so 50 per day over 7 days. For select slots like Huff and More Puff, if you lose during your first 24 hours of real money play, FanDuel refunds that net loss up to $1,000 as casino site credit. Bonus credits expire after 7 days and come with a playthrough requirement. How to claim the bonus. Sign up for the FanDuel Casino, deposit at least $10, and opt into the promotions via the promotion hub to activate eligibility. Bonuses like spins arrive instantly or within 72 hours. Cashback credits after net losses typically arrive within 3 days. In your account balance, use Show Breakdown to view casino credits versus real cash. When wagering, FanDuel automatically uses bonus credits first, preserving your real cash balance. Playing with bonus funds. Bonus turns into real winnings after just one playthrough. Use your bonus on slots or table games including blackjack and roulette. Once you meet the wagering requirement, winnings are withdrawable immediately, even if you haven't spent the entire bonus. Also, you need to know that bonus funds expire in 7 days if they're not used, only eligible in states where FanDuel Casino operates. You can only participate in one promotion at a time. Opt-ins must be done before deposits and wagers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.